listen to me. No one will hear my voice.
Bonnie Stepp hasn't seen a cent of her child support payments in months, so she staged her own protest to try and get the $2,300 she's owed. How much are you depending on that money?
I'm broke.
And don't blame her ex-husband, Richard. He's been paying $342 every 2 weeks.
And that poor woman, she needs the money. My daughter needs the money.
Both parents call this a case of deadbeat DOR. The Florida Department of Revenue is taking the money. So why isn't Bonnie getting paid?
The state's not supposed to be a bank. I mean, this hand doesn't know what this hand's doing.
The problem started in December when the couple's daughter, Mackenzie, turned 18. The state closed her account, but Stepp has a court order to pay child support until she graduates from high school in May. He took his paperwork in and was told the case had been reopened.
Weeks go by.
It's not taken care of.
Nothing. I called DOR.
This time, he gets a different person and a different answer.
She goes, well, it's under review.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
The cycle continued for 3 months until Bonnie came out with her signs. Within 15 minutes, 2 reps from the DOR came to talk to her, but they didn't want our camera there. Will we be able to ask you a few questions when you come back out?
We'll have to get it cleared.
But they didn't come back out. Instead, they called Bonnie's cell phone, letting her know the problem is fixed.
Am I going to get the lump sum deposited tomorrow by midnight?
Interesting how that happens. In the past few months, 8 on Your Side has received dozens of emails and calls from parents who say computer glitches have kept them from getting paid. Cases we've investigated have been quickly resolved.
Had we not come out here today and picketed, had we not had your support behind us, this wouldn't have happened.
But what about all those other parents? The local office told me to call spokeswoman Renee Waters in Tallahassee. Well, I've talked to her several times and she hasn't given me any answers. Is there a supervisor there inside here in Tampa that I can speak to? I mean, local people want answers, and calling Tallahassee doesn't get those answers. The Tampa office didn't have anyone to answer our questions. So while Bonnie Stepp left feeling satisfied about her case, she's not happy with the system.
So how many other mothers are there out there that are fighting the same fight?
It turns out the Department of Revenue did not make good on its promise to get Bonnie her money. DOR called to tell her today that a problem with their computers wouldn't allow them to process the payment, so they say she should get that by midnight tonight. We'll see. DOR has been blaming problems on its new computer system since back in January, and the delays were only supposed to be a few days, but of course those days turned into weeks and now months, and we're still getting complaints almost every day, Gail, from parents who are frustrated.
Well, you shouldn't take it personally, but clearly DOR has no intention of really wanting to talk to you about this, so where do you go next to try and